Have you ever eaten a salad, expecting to feel light and energized, only to find yourself battling drowsiness, weakness, or even hunger just an hour later? It's a common experience for many nutrition seekers. You're trying to eat healthy, making what seems like the best choice, yet your body feels anything but nourished. This feeling isn't about you failing, it's about understanding the true science of a balanced meal. We often perceive salads as the ultimate healthy option: simple, light, and guaranteed not to overload us. However, many salads, despite their green appearance, can have the opposite effect, leaving you sluggish and drained. For your body, it's not just what you eat, but also how and when you eat it. A salad lacking essential components like protein, healthy fats, or even warmth can be like a promise without delivery. It might look good on the plate, but it won't provide the sustained energy and satisfaction your body truly needs. In this video, you'll discover how to transform your salad experience. We'll uncover why your current salad might not be working for you. You'll learn which common habits drain your energy instead of fueling it, and what to avoid even if it appears healthy. Most importantly, you'll gain the knowledge to make your salad a source of joy and vitality, not a plate of leafy punishment. This isn't about restrictive diets or extreme measures. It's about adopting simple, empowering habits that make life feel lighter and more energetic. A salad is more than just something light. It's a meal for your body. If it's incomplete or unbalanced, your body responds with fatigue, persistent hunger, or even irritability. These are your body's signals guiding you towards better nourishment. One common reason a salad drains you is an overload of raw vegetables. While raw veggies are beneficial, consuming them in excess, especially during colder seasons or if you have sensitive digestion, can cool your body from within. This slows down digestion, forcing your stomach to work harder than necessary. Another critical factor is the lack of adequate protein. Without sufficient sources like eggs, beans, lentils, seeds, or even a modest amount of cheese, your salad won't keep you feeling full or satisfied. Your body simply won't receive the sustained fuel it needs to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Healthy fats are also frequently missing from many salads. Without essential fats from olive oil, avocado, nuts, or seeds, even the best ingredients can't deliver their full nutritional benefits. Healthy fats are crucial for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins and play a vital role in stabilizing your mood and energy. Furthermore, cold meals composed entirely of cold ingredients can slow down your metabolism. This can lead to that familiar post-lunch slump, making you feel like lying down after what was supposed to be a light and energizing meal. Your body thrives on warmth and easily digestible nutrients. If your salad is intended to be your main dish, not just a side, it absolutely must be complete and balanced. Otherwise, you'll find yourself experiencing more fatigue and less support from your meal. It's about building a meal that truly serves your well-being. This doesn't mean salads are inherently bad. It simply means that many common salad constructions aren't designed to meet your unique needs, lifestyle, or current stage of life. The good news is, this is incredibly easy to fix with a few mindful adjustments. Are you ready to transform your simple salad into a powerful source of sustained energy instead of a cause of fatigue? We're about to dive into practical steps, easy tips, and small details that can make a monumental difference. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on these empowering insights. Turn on the notification bell if you want more videos like this, focusing on natural solutions without pills, restrictive diets, or complicated rules. Remember, you don't have to change everything at once. Start small, but start smart, and watch your energy soar. First, always add a substantial source of protein. Even a few spoonfuls of cooked beans, a hard-boiled egg, grilled chicken, or a handful of chickpeas can elevate your salad into a complete, satisfying meal. Protein is the foundational building block. It promotes satiety, supports muscle health, and helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes. Next, incorporate a touch of warmth. A few roasted vegetables like sweet potatoes or broccoli, some warm grains like quinoa or farro, or even a room temperature dressing can make a significant difference. Your body welcomes this kind of food. It doesn't put out your inner fire. Instead, it gently fuels your digestive system, promoting better nutrient absorption. Has it ever happened that you eat a salad and an hour later you're hungry again and feeling tired? Hit the like button if you've experienced this at least once. In the comments below, share your favorite balanced salad combinations. Let's inspire each other with nourishing ideas. To truly make your salad a source of unwavering support, pay close attention to a few key details. Don't limit your salad to just leafy greens. While iceberg, arugula, and spinach are wonderful, add heartier, more nutrient-dense components. Think roasted beets, pumpkin, chickpeas, quinoa, or a variety of colorful roasted vegetables. These add complex carbohydrates and fiber for sustained energy. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Avocado slices, a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds, or a spoonful of hummus are not extra calories to fear. They are essential for keeping your energy stable, promoting satiety, and helping your body absorb vital fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These fats nourish your brain and cells. A salad that is too cold can be a shock to your digestive system. If it's your main dish, aim to serve it at least at room temperature or thoughtfully incorporate warm elements. This simple adjustment can significantly improve digestion and comfort, especially during cooler months. Be wary of fitness or healthy marketing claims on packaged salad components. Store-bought dressings, pre-marinated proteins, flavored croutons, and even some canned tuna can often contain hidden sugars, artificial additives, excessive sodium, and unhealthy oils. These ingredients don't support your energy. They can actively drain it and contribute to inflammation. Always read labels carefully. Most importantly, shift your mindset. Don't eat a salad with the sole thought, I need to lose weight. Instead, approach it with the empowering thought, I want to feel good, vibrant, and energized. Food is not a punishment or a tool for deprivation. It should be your most powerful ally in achieving optimal health and well-being. Think of your body like a gentle, steady fire. To keep it burning evenly and efficiently, you need more than just dry twigs. You need warmth, healthy fats, and proteins, like glowing coals that provide sustained strength and hold the heat. A well-constructed salad provides all these elements, nurturing your inner warmth and vitality. A salad should never feel like punishment. It should be a soft, supportive meal that truly fills you up, leaving you feeling nourished and content, not empty or deprived. You absolutely deserve food that is not just light, but also deeply caring and supportive of your overall health. You are already on an incredible journey. You're listening to your body's signals, actively seeking gentle and sustainable solutions, and choosing self-care over harsh restrictions. Even a small, mindful change, like adding a warm, roasted vegetable or a handful of protein to your salad, can provide you with profound energy and a sense of calm that lasts throughout your entire day. If this video has given you a fresh, empowering perspective on how to truly nourish yourself, please subscribe to our channel. Here, we consistently share natural, holistic solutions that genuinely support your well-being instead of adding unnecessary pressure or complexity to your life. For even more in-depth secrets about foods that truly help you thrive, explore the full version of our content on the channel. We delve into the incredible benefits of specific ingredients like beets, discuss optimal breakfast strategies, explore the power of fruits, and unlock the magic of various spices. There's undoubtedly something valuable there for every nutrition seeker ready to embrace a more vibrant, energized life.